Among these forces is the Liberation Front, which was responsible for the bus attack. They're headquartered in Somalia and are backed by the government there. Somalia and its allies would like the French territory as part of a greater Somali nation. Dominant among Somalia's allies are the Russians, the Soviet Union, who've just built a huge military academy in Somalia, and they're accused by the CIA of stationing ballistic missiles in the country, although this is denied. But there's no doubt that Somalia has got very well-equipped armed forces, thanks entirely to Soviet military aid. What's happened to France this week will have removed any lingering thoughts of retaining their African toehold come what may. Given the strength of its armed forces, Somalia is in a position to swallow up Afars and Isas, and France is unlikely to try and stop them once it's evacuated its own people.